gonna even hold you, sis. This hair is giving $700-800, but honey, old girl is under $3. Okay, not gonna hold you.
The wig for me. It's DizastrousBeauty. Change up your look daily. It's DizastrousBeauty. The wig for me. It's DizastrousBeauty, baby. It's DizastrousBeauty. Change up.
Get out the way, who got a watch, who got the time, I'm racing the clock. Even in my feelings, grind don't stop. Got big dreams, want big rocks. I got plans, you got talk. Heard it's real cheap, but it's really gon' cost. I'm trying to get these ends, build empires with my friends. I'm about handling my business, no time for stress over bullshit. You think success is an option? I'm trying to get this shit poppin' like woo. Big moves, my rules. Y'all heavy on the tweeting. I'll disappear a whole season like woo. Who said they looking for me? I'ma make you wait for it. Spend a few racks on a shopping spree. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. Tell them give it to me when I want it, please. Wait till I leg for it. Countdown for me. 12, 11, 10, 9. Ain't that I'ma make you wait for it. On my time. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. On my time, my time, my time, my time, my time. Order in the court, me first, you short. On my time, been off yours, boss bitches to the floor. It's my time. Hey. You was for you, I was for us. You do the math, shit don't add up. Even on my worst day, down on my luck. I got the sauce, I'ma always come up. I tried it your way, that was a dub. I'm taking the wheel now, cause I trust me. I'ma go get these millions, hope still hoping and wishing. You always had me waiting, and I'm about fresh out of patience. This time we switching positions. Now you under my submission, like woo. My rules, big moves. Y'all heavy on the tweeting. I'll disappear a whole season, like woo. Who said they looking for me? I'ma make you wait for it. Spend a few racks on a shopping spree. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. Tell them give it to me when I want it, please. Wait till I leg for it. Countdown for me. 5, 4, 3, 2. I want, I'ma make you wait for it. On my time. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. On my time. My time, my time. Order in the court, me first, you short. On my time, been off yours, boss bitches to the floor. Ooh, it's my time.
Can you feel it, honey? Can you feel it, honey? Now you're way past that. All that bad, 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 bad. So bad, 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 bad. Can you see it, honey? Can you see it? See you past the trouble. Now you know the meaning of it all. It all. Didn't think it happened so soon, but that one afternoon you finally moved on. Letting go of all that he said and finally cared for yourself. You really moved on. And I feel it, feel it, feel it, feel it. I feel it, I feel it. Ooh. It's gonna be the ending of all that's bad. From now on, let's just leave it all in the past and look how good we are. now you moved on. And I feel it, I feel it, I feel it, feel it, I feel it, I feel it. This gon' be the ending of all that's bad. From now on, let's just leave it all in the past and look out.
Alright y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details, the specs, and all those good things about this unit, then please continue to watch. Alright y'all, so the unit I am rocking was sent to me by Megalook Wig. Shout out to you, Megalook Wig, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it, honey. Alright, so the wig that I am rocking is their 13x4 lace front. I have it in 26 inches. It's a body wave unit, obviously. I'm gonna go ahead and click on the site so I can give you guys some more details and specs. It says super deal $98.99, Highlight P27 colored 4x4 to /13x4 lace frontal body wave / straight human hair wig. So it's telling you that you can get it in a straight or a body wave, and that you can get it in a 4x4 closure. You guys know I love a closure, girl. Or you can get it in the 13x4 airy cap. This wig does come in 16 to 30 inches, all being even numbers, and as I stated, they did send me 26 inches. Okay, so as far as the other details, this is 180% density. It says 4 combs inside for the 4x4, and the 13x4 no combs inside, but it does come with 2 combs in the package. So you do still get combs as well as that adjustable strap. Now honey, I didn't add the combs, I just added the adjustable straps, but you have that option, even though it doesn't come with them when you get it. Now as far as the 4x4, it has a total of 4 combs. So it says this unit is an average cap size and with adjustable 4 strap. I don't know what that means. So anyways, those are all the details and specs that are on the site. Now with this wig, honey, what you see is what you get. Oh girl woke up like this, okay? She woke up like this. I ain't touch her. I didn't bleach nothing. I didn't tweeze anything. All I did was cut the lace and slap her on my head, and she woke up like this. Hold on, child, I gotta fix this. So yeah, what you see is what you get with this wig. I didn't have to tweeze, old girl. I didn't have to bleach any knots. I didn't have to do anything but cut that lace and put old girl on my head. That is it. That is all. And then I curled it some and layered it. That's it, y'all. So to me, as far as frontals go, this is pretty beginner friendly. Now, you know, I know frontals can be like, but as far as they go, I feel like this one is more so on the beginner friendly side because you don't have to do as much work to make her look, you know, good. Okay, honestly y'all, I think this wig, in my opinion, is giving luxury hair, and I mean, you know, like $800-900 hair, or you know, in on up. It's giving that, but for way cheaper. I ain't gonna hold you, sis. Like I'm not. You guys know I don't tell you nothing that I don't think is true. Y'all, it's giving luxury. It's giving luxury. Okay, I just want to throw that out there. As far as shedding and tangling, it was shedding some, but it was only shedding over here where I had to cut the lace. I felt like the lace was way too big for my head, so I had to cut lace, and I just kind of tucked it under. And that's where I think the shedding was coming from, because I did not notice any shedding prior to that, but I'm not 100% certain, so I had to throw it out there. But I'm almost 99% sure that it was from where I cut the lace and the hair right in this general area, because even whenever it has been shedding, it's just been shedding right in that area. So I'm pretty sure that's team my bad, not team the company bad, but I like throw it out there so you can't say I ain't tell you, girl, because I told you, girl. Okay, as far as it being big head friendly, in my opinion, it is big head friendly. It's more big head, small to medium, I mean medium to big head friendly than small to medium head friendly. Now I only got the head that's on my shoulders, and I am an average cap size, so girl, do with that what you want to do with it. Okay, good. Do with that what you want to do with that. And yeah, I think that is pretty much it as far as the details and specs. Like, yeah. So if you are interested in my pros and cons as well as a full 360 and a lint check, then please continue to watch. Alright y'all, so we're gonna start with the cons because you know I like to end on a high note. My con with this wig is gonna be that it's a 13x4. You guys know how I feel about 13x4s. It just don't give you enough space. And normally I would have done a C part, and I probably will at some point. I'm just not a real, like a bust down type person, girl. I'm more so of a side chick. So I would probably at some point, because I'm probably gonna be wearing this hair all weekend. At some point I'm probably gonna do a C part, but right now I just wanted to wear it as is. I know a lot of people like middle parts, so yeah. But like I said, my con is gonna be there's a 13x4, honey. It just is. Now we can get to my pros, and honey, the pros are endless. I love the color of this unit, and I used to not be a fan of like 1B or, you know, black hair with blondes, but honey, I'm here for it here lately. I ain't gonna hold you, I'm here for it lately. I love the color, I love the style. The hair feels amazing. Like, y'all, I cannot tell you how good this hair feels. For me to even notice that it feels good is saying that it really feels good, because like I said, I'm not really one of those people that's a stickler for that, but the hair feels amazing. Okay, girl. As well as I feel like the hairline is hairlining. It came pre-bleached. It came literally like some luxury hair. Okay, so those are gonna be my pros. Those are gonna be my pros with this wig. Alright y'all, so I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys this full 360 so we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. This is where it comes to me. Keep in mind I am 5'4". My mic keeps falling off. And this is it on the right side. So yeah, y'all, let me know down below in the comments what you guys think about this unit. Let me know if you are feeling it, if it's a look, if it's a vibe to you like it is to me. Sound off down below in the comments. Once again, shout out to you, Megalook Wig, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. If you guys are interested in purchasing this unit, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And yeah, girl, that's all. That's all. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions and feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, click the subscribe button. It's not gonna cost you not one red cent. And if you're not ready to follow me on all my social media platforms, I am Disastrous Beauty on both IG and TikTok and Threads. And I am Healthy Missy on Snapchat, and I'm Disastrous B on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.